Hello everyone, my name is Julita Ritan. You can call me Julita. Okay, I will reading chapter 7, Accounting. Number 1, Introduction. Accounting in the business world can be cited as the language of business because almost all business activity in the world, both individual and large company, use accounting to calculate and to make decisions relating to the business being run. Accounting is a process that begins by recording, grouping, processing, and presenting the data. Recording any transaction related to finances so that the information obtained is used by people who are competent with the information, and that information is used as material for making a decision. From the description above, the notation of accounting is a activity in identifying, calculating, grouping, and assessing an event related to finance or activity that can produce quantitative data and qualitative data, especially those of a financial nature and use in decision making. In general, accounting is an information system that can be accounted for to provide financial related reports to those who need it and provide information about the condition of the company economically. Number 2, the definition of accounting to the experts. Abu Bakar and Wibowo. Accounting is a process of recording, identifying, and communicating all the company economic transaction. Paul Grady. Accounting is a body of knowledge and has organization function that are good, original, authentic, analyze and interpret all different and transaction and financial analysis that will occur in accounting activity to provide information needed by management about all reports and accountability for the truth it respects. Kieso and Weigan. Accounting is an information system that starts from classifying, recording, and communicating all economic events from an organization or company to those who have an interest in that information. Power of accounting principles. Accounting is an activity or service event to present quantitative information where the information is in the form of material benchmarks about an economic body that is used in making economic decisions in causing economic policy alternative that must be taken. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Accounting is an art of recording, summarizing, and managing certain process in monetary, the transaction and financial event, and summarizing the result of the valuation. Colliers Dictionary. Accounting is an art of recording the process of financial transaction. West Gorman. Accounting is a written experience that is used to take decisions made in a company. American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information in economic decision making by those who need it. American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information in economic decision making by those who need it. Sopar Lumbatoruan. Accounting is a tool used as a business language where the information conveyed is only able to be understood if the accounting mechanism has been understood. The RMBD. Accounting is an applied skill and art of recording which is carried out continuously according to the rules and its system. The processing and analysis of this record can be arranged in the form of financial statements as a means of accountability from the leadership of the company or its institution for their work. Decree of the Minister of Finance. Accounting is a process of gathering, analyzing, clarifying, recording, reporting, and summarizing financial transactions from an economy unit to provide financial information for those who need that information and is used for decision making. Warren et al. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports to all parties of interested parties regarding the economic activity of a company. Arnold. Accounting as a system used to provide information, especially financial information, to anyone who needs information, especially on the decision maker and controlling parties. Rudianto. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports aimed at related party and is interested in economic activity and the coordination of certain business entity. Number 3, the function of accounting. The main function of accounting is as a medium of information, especially financial information about an organization or company. Because from this information an economist can be obtained where we can find out the economic coordination of an organization or business entity, and we can know the change that occur in the organization. Accounting can provide quantitative data information in the form of money. Information about the financial coordination of an organization or company is needed by the decision maker in making economic policy. From party within the organization or party outside the organization of business entity. Accounting can be a tool that explains about any coordination that occur in the company, especially relating to the company finances. It can be concluded that there are two kinds of information that can be given related to the accounting process. The first is information about this company value, and the second is information that explains the company profit and loss. Both of these information are useful for: number 1, knowing how much profit or loss a company has in a given period. Number 2, knowing the company net profit after deducting operational costs. Number 3, knowing the amount of company capital and investment that the company can make in connection with company profit. Number 4, feeding additional capitals for business expansion. Number 5, calculating the amount of tax that must be paid by the company. Number 6, providing information to stock market investors to be able to register the company's share in the stock market. Number 7, making decisions for the company needs in the future. In the accounting process, there are many important activities that are considered important. Let's learn about the main activity of the accounting process itself. Number 4, main activity of accounting. Here are the main activity of accounting. Number 1. Identifying. The activity is carried out by identifying all transaction in the company. Number 2. Recording. This activity is carried out by recording all transactions that occur carefully, systematically, and sequentially. Number 3. Communicating. This activity is connected by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finances that are used by all users of the company. Financial statement are internal or example parties. Accounting in itself has a very broad scope of knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transaction and in everyday human life. Number 1. Identifying. The activity is carried out by identifying all transactions in the company. Number 2. Recording. This activity is carried out by recording all transactions that occur carefully, systematically, and sequentially. Number 3. Communicating. This activity is connected by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finances that are used by all users of the company. Financial statement are internal or example parties. Accounting in itself has a very broad scope of knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transaction and in everyday human life. Number 5. Files of accounting. The files of accounting include financial accounting. This financial accounting includes recording all transactions in the company without expansion and making regular report with this report can provide important and useful information for company owner and investor who are interested in the company performance. Number 2. Auditing accounting. The file of auditing accounting is accounting which includes the examination of financial statements through free, confidential accounting record. The accounting report must be verified through an independent auditor to produce truthful and honest information. Number 3. Management accounting. Management accounting is an accounting file that uses historical data and estimate that to help management plan the company operation in the future. Number 4. Tax accounting. Tax accounting includes the calculation of all tax reports in providing solution or consideration to the company in calculating the amount of tax. Number 5. Budgeting accounting. The file of budgeting accounting is carried out to plan all financial activity or company budget net in a certain period and provide comparison to the company to calculate the budget projection with operational costs that really must be spent by the company. Number 6. No-profit accounting. Accounting for no-profit organization is carried out to record all activity of no-profit organization such as social and religious organization. Number 7. Cost accounting. This accounting has the duty to emphasize the use and determination of costs and to control these costs in an industrial company. Number 8. Accounting system. An accounting system in a technique or method used by recording and processing according that is useful for obtaining good internal control, where internal control is meant by a system that has the duty to control by obtaining an organization structure that dividends tax and all human resources wo is profit with healthy practice. Number 9. Social accounting. Social accounting is the most recent field of accounting, and its understanding is quite difficult to explain because social accounting involves public welfare fund. Number 6. Importance of accounting in management decision making. That report analysis accurate information about asset, debts, liability, profit or net when you want to enter into a business. And that is why accounting is important for any business activity. Management needs accounting information. This accounting information is very essential for making a decision. Management cannot make a decision without reasonable information for backing it up. To make the decision, it has to be based on gaining facts and figures for making the decision at every level of management. Information is crucial. Accounting profit management with information regarding the financial position of the business, such as profit and loss, costs and earnings, liability and asset. That is why the importance of accounting in business is very broad. Statistical data and information that accounting providers are very necessary for management to make the right decision. Record financial transactions systematically in the book of account and finding out the profit loss and financial position of a business are the main objective of accounting. The main function of accounting are having the ascertainment of profit loss and financial position, interpretation and analysis of accounts and system statements, development of accounting system, a collection of statistical and economic data, formulation of financial principles and financial planning and controlling result as per plan as in the Modern Act. Accounting is directly connected with financial management. The management is to define on various accounting data and information for taking various decisions. It is that to entity concave and management joint stock company. Development of communication and international business. Its scope of business have so much expand. Accounting gave the miss of action happening. Accounting also can improve production and profit, control costs, and help improve the efficiency of the overall management. Management plays a very important role in the overall development of a business organization. Management has the function, namely planning, organizing, clothing business element, motivating, coordinating, controlling, and budgeting its successful completion of this function of management depends on an efficient accounting system. Accounting is a continuous system that shows the financial position of a business entity by identifying the economic event and recording, analyzing, and presenting them. Accounting gives information about the economic entity financial position. Number 6. Importance of accounting in parts of business are described below. 1. Importance of accounting in planning. Proper planning is necessary for the successful completion of various management activities. These plannings, cash planning, sales planning, procurement planning, determining the quality of stock, development planning, picking up target profile as rely on accounting data and information. 2. Accounting importance in organization. Accounting play a very vital role in the proper execution of the important function of the manager organization. Account help management organization by giving information like percentage of profit over the capital investment, postation management, efficiency in controlling ads. 3. Accounting important for motivation. Labor employers are to be motivated for achieving expect promising financial reward is one of the main motivating factor of work. The management must know the financial position of the business for providing financial benefits. Accounting helps management by giving necessary information for making proper decisions. 4. Accounting important for coordination. One of the main functions of management is to achieve the final target of the business by coordinating various activities of different departments. Accounting helps in coordinating various activities of different departments of the business. It also helps the management in the adjustment of purchase with sale and expenditure with income, sale with the debit respect relation adds to a great extent. 5. Accounting importance in control. The main function of modern management are planning and controlling. Controlling is essential for the completion of activity according to the plan. Accounting can help management much in control. 6. Accounting important media of communication. Accounting play a vital role as a media in communicating various information from different departments, business and management plan of action to various departments. For instance, in the modern age, accounting is regarded as the best media of communication in supplying information to management regarding purchase and stock, time of purchase, cost of purchase, and sale price. Print ads. Business. The function of accounting is to collect and provide information about the business to various interested parties. 7. Accounting important in budgeting. The preparation of various budgets is essential to run the business successfully. The historical information which is needed in the preparation of the budget is supplied by accounting. 8. Accounting important in professional advice. An excellent and honest accountant help the management with value professional advice for the development of its business. In the modern age, with the complete of business management has also become complete. In this aspect, the role of accounting is very important. The efficiency of management depends on the efficient use of accounting data and information. In the developed and countries, accountant are regarded as efficient and successful manager in the modern age. In big organizations, content are included in the management committee. It it can be said the accounting and management are interdependent. Accounting is an essential tool for management. Thank you for watching.